what I do is I take my little face halo guy and I put a little eye remover, and that is some Lancome. I'm just gonna like start rubbing away the glitter. I love, love, love when I have glitter on and I take it off. Nothing feels better in the whole world than getting that glitter off. And then I'm going to put a little bit on my lips. What I love about the face halo is it makes less of a mess. The fibers in it pick up that makeup and it's really gentle, so you don't gotta like really get up in there. Especially on your eyes, it's super gentle, but that red typically would have made a crazy mess, and this just literally picks it up, and they're rewashable, so you can keep using them. So, and then I just kind of go over the rest of my face, just pick up the top layer of junk that's on my face. Whoa, looks like a train wreck has arrived. I look rough. Headband. A little bit of my first aid, and this is the makeup melter coconut stuff. And then I'm just gonna rub it all over my face because this is gonna pick up any leftover that the eye makeup remover and the face halo did not pick up. And then I'm gonna dip my face in water. See how there's still stuff? This is just gonna keep breaking down more of that makeup. So then I'm gonna go rinse my face off. And then of course you want to rinse your face, dry it. And then because I still have some, because I like went heavy on the mascara and all that, I'm gonna take these little Q-tip things, but they have makeup remover oil in them, and it's by DHC, and I'm just gonna really get up into there. Normally I wouldn't have to do this step, but because I did like a heavy, strong makeup look, it's just that mascara and stuff loves to stick up in your eyes. So far this is kind of how we're looking. My face still isn't clean. I can tell, I can still see some like glitter and stuff on it. Now again, I probably wouldn't typically do this step right now because I wouldn't have glitter or anything on my face. But because I did a really heavy, like I said, because I did like a heavy crazy look, I have to do a few more steps. So I'm just going to take these little makeup remover pads from Salon Perfect, and I'm just going to go back over my face. And as you can see, I'm going to show you guys the pad. You would think my face is totally clean, but the proof is in the pudding, people. There is still makeup and glitter on my face. So by this point, I just basically clean it until I notice that the pad has gone white. So now the pad is white, which is amazing. Finally, my face is finally totally clean. I do still have some glitter on it, but that's whatever. So for me, if it's the end of the day, I would do a hydration facial mask because I just put my skin through a lot, I feel like. So it would be good for me. I don't have any pimples right now. If I had a pimple, I would do like a little acne spot treatment. So if it was nighttime, I would do this Corona face mask. It is hydrating. Yeah, so it's hydrating, whatever. But I don't have time now because the baby's gonna wake up soon. So I'm gonna skip that step and I'll do that before bed tonight. What I'm gonna do now is take a little Pure Lease Blue Lotus Serum, and this is for all over. And this is going to, it's supposed to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and boost hydration and skin texture. And I'm gonna put that all over my face. Super gentle on around our eye area. It honestly feels like a primer I'm putting on my face. That's how it feels, like silky and soft. I know you guys probably think I'm super crazy, but this is like my last step, I swear. Then because my lips are dry and I used like a lot of lipsticks, and the day before I did a lipstick swatch video, my lips are just like hating their life right now because they're super dry. I'm gonna take a little Revlon Kiss, and it's an exfoliating balm. It's my favorite one right now. I love this one and I love e.l.f. I used Laura Geller, which is like $40 some. Sucked. There's like barely any beads in it. And I used another one that was kind of expensive, but I forget what it was called. I can't even remember. And it sucked. There was barely any beads in it. I love these two because there's tons of the little beads that like really deeply exfoliate. But what I like this, the reason I like this over e.l.f. is because e.l.f. isn't a balm like you have to wipe it off. I like this one because you can leave it on your lips. And that is it for my get unready with me. That's how I do it. Let me know if you try these products and you love them as much as I do, and I'll talk to you guys soon.